This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a product called HyperDock to your Mac, how to use the application itself. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is go to the application itself. So go to Finder, go to Downloads, and here is the application. So if I click on Command C, copy that, go to the applications, and now paste that in. Minimize this, go to Launchpad. Where is it? There it is, HyperDock. Click on this and it will say HyperDock Helper app would like to control this computer using accessibility features. Yes, open system preferences and keep HyperDock running in the background. So click on this. So once we're on our security and privacy, I see HyperDock Helper.app. And it says allow the apps below to control the computer. Yes, so this app will control the computer. So click on this lock to prevent further changes. Go back to the HyperDock preferences. So click off this. And now that's the appearance, specials, window management, about. Okay. So I can click out of this. And now when we go to Finder, so now that's what I wanted. So if I close out of this now, so open Finder, minimize this, and now we can see the Windows type user interface. I can open iTunes. I can now look on the dock, click this, and there we go. Click on this, opens iTunes. I can also swipe down on my applications through my magic mouse. Swipe up goes to full screen. You don't even need to physically press the green button to take it into full screen mode. And this is the best thing about Finder. So if I do this, small screen, swipe up, bigger screen, swipe up again. The full screen is what I like working with. So close out of this. And we can also go full screen, small screen. Now if I hold this and take it to the left side, we get a view that shows us half the page. And now if I do Command T, take this out and go up, take this to the right, there we go. We can use two applications, Finders, whatever, at one time without physically having to navigate back and forth, click on this, click on that. I'm like, whoa, man, it's just too messy. So I'll take it to the side, take it to the side. Yes, yes, okay. And that's the best thing about HyperDock. So close out of this. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.